another video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do the transmission reset on 2019. What is this? The 2019 Honda CR-V. So basically what I'm going to do is show you guys the process, show you guys how easy and simple that it is, and we'll go from there. So what you do is you put the key in ignition, turn it, 1 click, 2 clicks, the dashboard will light up like so. Okay, so once the dashboard lights up like so, then you hold down the gas pedal, the floor, which is on the right side, the gas on the right side, and the check engine light will disappear. It will go cut off, meaning that the reset was done. See? Check engine light cut off. Okay, so then now you take your foot off the brake pedal. Off the gas pedal, Turn off the ignition, take the key out the ignition, turn off the car, put it back in the ignition, and just start the car regularly. And that's it. You're good to go. And just take it for a drive. And it should be shifting a lot smoother. It should shift smooth and everything like that, and should be good to go. If this helps you, leave a comment in the bottom. Let me know that it helped and your vehicle is shifting better. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.